I've literally been waiting months for this to come in, and guess what, guys? It finally came in. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We're going to be installing the best short shifter you can get for any car on the R34. A few months back, I already went ahead and installed a short shifter on this car to replace the stock one, but the thing was, the short shifter is kind of trash. And I made a whole complete video on installing the short shifter, but after using it for a few days, I decided not to post it because honestly, I didn't want to give a bad review on the shifter since it was sent to me for free. But let me go ahead and show you guys my main complaint with it. So from afar, it doesn't look too bad, right? But the thing is, this thing is super freaking stiff. So super annoying because usually when you drive stick, you like to wiggle the stick shift and see it return back to the middle, but this one doesn't really do that. And I've tried everything. I tried swapping out the shifter springs. I tried the stiffest springs, but then it doesn't feel good when you're shifting because it takes way too much pressure to put it to the side. The shifter does feel pretty tight and notchy, which is a good thing, but the thing is, it doesn't feel amazing to me. And I want this car to feel 100% because I love driving this car. I know low-key I'm kind of being picky, but it is what it is. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys the new short shifter we're gonna be installing. Oh, look at the packaging though. Everything is freaking vacuum sealed. Look at this. Boom. How sick is this freaking shifter right here? We got the extendo clip short shifter. This thing is pretty high, but I think that'll make driving the car so much better because then the shifter is right near the steering wheel. So when you switch from the steering wheel to the shifter, it'll be right there for you. If you guys look at the logo, this one is made by IRP. This is the IRP short shifter for the car. I know, guys, this isn't sponsored. I wish that they sponsored me for the shifter because it was a little pricey, but I haven't used it before. I've only tried it out on my friend's cars and it feels super tight, and the best part is it returns back to neutral. All right, without any further ado, let's go ahead and disassemble our little shifter console and take out the old shifter. I'll take off the shift knob, and then we gotta take out this, and then we can pop off the center console. Easy peasy. Twist off this little shifter extension that came with. We got one bolt out. These are super hard because I put freaking Loctite on them. We might have to drill them out. Oh, I definitely gotta vacuum my car after this. Okay, top portion's out. All right, and then we got the bottom plate out. Say goodbye to our old shifter, guys. Here's our new shifter. It comes in two pieces. We just gotta put these two together and then we can install it on the car. Now we got a short shifter fully assembled. Dude, this thing looks so freaking good. It's crazy. Just gotta place our shifter bushing on like this and smack it with a hammer. Alright guys, quick little update. Don't mind all the metal shavings. We're gonna vacuum that soon. And so the metal surrounding the shifter is quite small and it's interfering with this little bottom piece. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to trim this all around here for it to be able to clear the base mount of the shifter. Easy install, I said. I jinxed myself so bad. Alright, I know the cuts aren't the prettiest, but I'll clean it up in a bit. I just gotta make sure that this thing will fit. Let's see. There we go, look at that. We clear the sides over here, we clear over here, and we clear up here. Alright, time to bolt this thing back down. Alright boys, let's see how this thing feels. Oh my god. Bro. What the heck? This thing is so notchy. Okay, here's first. Second. Dude, they were not lying about this being a short shifter. Holy cow. Look at how much it goes to the side. It barely moves to the side. Look at that. Oh, this thing is so sweet. Okay, here's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. And listen to the sound it makes too. Oh my God, this thing is so sweet. All right, now the last thing we need to do is go down below and change out the shifter springs because we put in the aftermarket ones for the other shifter, and I think this one calls for the stock one, so we just gotta swap that out. To change out those shifter springs, I have to freaking pull this thing into the garage, get it on jack stands, and go under the car. But if you guys haven't seen my driveway yet, look at this. This is literally the world's gnarliest driveway. But that slope is super steep, so I have to use these little wooden ramps that I built. No joke, like 8 inches high. This thing is absurd, and that's the only way I can get my cars in and out. Since we're gonna be under the car, we might as well go ahead and change out the trans fluid. We're gonna switch over to the Redline MT90. I'm not sure when the trans fluid was last changed on the car. Shoot, it might be the original trans fluid still. So let's swap it out and see if this makes the car sound a lot better. Because when I'm driving the car, the trans does make like a weird whirring noise, and I'm thinking that's because 1, it's either improper trans fluid, 2, really old trans fluid, or 3, it's low on trans fluid. So this should be able to help the problem. I read on forums that most people run this, and there's like a bunch of people suggest different stuff, but I have ran Redline before and I haven't had an issue, so we're gonna stick with this thing. Oh fuck shit. Dang, bro, Hercules himself tightened this bolt. This thing is on there. Oh man, the trans fluid looks super clean. This was probably recently changed. Here's how the drain plug looks like. Doesn't look too bad. Now people usually fill it up from the bottom through the fill hole, but I figured since my shifter assembly is not fully in, I might as well just fill it from up top. Makes it way easier. 1 quart, 2 quarts, 3 quarts, 4 quarts. There we go, boys. Just like that, we got the trans filled up with fresh new fluid. All right, and our shifter springs is under the car right there. We just got to remove that bolt, 1 on each side, and then we can swap it out with this spring right here. All right, here's a little comparison between the old and the new spring. This one is the current spring that's on the car right now. Super freaking stiff, like I could barely squeeze it together. And then this is the one we're putting in. Look at that, way more squishy. All right, we're gonna take a little break from working on the R34 because we're about to go meet up with my homie Alex and check out his M3. I know, guys, a BMW? Derek, why the hell are you checking out BMW? It's safe to say I might be getting an M3. Those of you guys that have been following my Instagram and TikTok, I've been hinting that I'm planning on picking up another car to make some more content for you guys. And so I've checked out quite a few M4s around the area. I think I've checked out like 3 or 4. But I really want to check out an M3 to see how I feel about it because they do look very aggressive in pictures, but I have yet to test drive an M3, so I really want to step foot in one just to see if I like it more before I go ahead and pull the trigger on an M4. And thankfully my homie Alex lives nearby and he has an M3. I think it might be a competition, I'm not sure, but it's like fully decked out. It's white, it has red guts and everything, so basically the holy specs that I would be wanting. Bro, that thing is stupid clean. I cannot get over how clean that thing is. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good.
F80's the move, bro.
It really is, dude. Not gonna lie, I used to be a BMW hater, but now I want one more and more every day.
Bro, I still hate BMWs. Just F80's the only exception for me.
The main reason why I think I might like an M3 better is because one is 4-door, and all my cars are coupes, so I figured I might as well get like an actual daily.
My biggest thing?
The hips?
The hips,
bro. Don't lie, bro.
They don't lie.
Dude, look how aggressive this thing is.
Like, after you see these hips and then you compare like an M4 side by side, bro,
way better?
The M4 is just like, there's nothing there.
That's
like,
true. But the one thing the M4 has is since it's 2-door, when you look at it from the side, it's way sleeker.
Yeah. The big doors are nice.
Dude, and I swear the best thing about his car is this this color combo.
Yeah.
It's like the pearl white with the freaking red guts.
Yep. Has to have
oh
the red
my
guts.
god, dude. And the red goes all the way to the door cards.
Yeah.
Oh, and this has the updated badging.
Yep.
Does this light
at
up?
night, yeah, at night it lights.
Oh,
so
that's
sick,
so
bro.
sick.
Like every time you unlock the car, it just lights up.
Dude, this thing just screams BMW. So is there anything aftermarket done to this car?
So it's got downpipes, intakes. It's tuned on stage 2.
Okay.
So yeah, it's pretty quick. It's a fun car. Lowering springs, skirts, lip, diffuser. That's pretty much it.
So pretty basic, nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy. I just wanted to keep it pretty stock. I mean, it's my wife's car. She dailies it, so I don't want to like put too much.
All a wifey car.
Yeah, it's a wifey's car, but I get to drive it on the weekends.
I'm gonna sit passenger so I can feel how it actually feels, and then I'll drive it.
Let's do it. So like, this is my first German car. I hate BMWs. Like, I never wanted to get into it, but then like the F80, I was like, I'm just gonna try it out, bro. Like, BMW knows what they're doing. Like, they're built so well. I just don't like the reliability aspect of it, so that's why I was trying to stay away from BMWs. But besides that, like, they're awesome cars. Like, everyone knows BMWs are built well.
I've always been concerned of reliability.
Yeah.
But I heard from every single F80 owners that there's no issues they really have.
That's not true. So I would say like it's a lot better than the older cars, but there's still a lot of things you got to worry about on these cars. So I wouldn't, if you're like lower mileage, you might be fine. But once you're like over 50K, most likely your valve covers are gonna leak.
And oil pan.
Oil pan's gonna leak. The charge cooler needs to be replaced. Like, they tend to leak as well in these cars. I haven't had to do that yet, but that thing needs to be replaced. Also crank hub, like if you're gonna be pushing, you know, going stage 2 or whatever, you're gonna have the crank hub done. This thing has had it done, so that was another reason I decided to pull through with it. But there's a couple little things. It's nothing big like the older generations where you have to do like rod bearings and stuff. Yeah. So like, they got that side figured out, but every generation has their own like little issues.
See, from all the issues you explained with F80s, it sounds simple compared to like, oh shit.
What was that, bro? That was a golf ball.
Oh fuck, dude. Is that from that or is that from something else?
Dude, did that hit the glass or the roof? I gotta check that out, bro. That could have destroyed my roof, bro. I think that hit my windshield. Bro.
Oh, bro, that thing was like a huge ass ball.
I think that was a golf ball, bro. This roundabout's kind of small.
Oh my god, dude, I did not expect you to start sliding this out. What the fuck? Oh my god. Dude, maybe you are meant to be a BMW driver. That shit was crazy.
It slides that easy, bro. Like, that was second gear and you just pin it, it just whips out.
Oh my god, dude, this thing is insane. Is traction control off?
It's off.
Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a fun ass car, dude.
It feels so much different being passenger. Like, you honestly get scared.
Dude, I'm always scared in the passenger seat. No matter like how much I trust the driver.
Yeah.
Passenger side, like if you're sitting in the passenger seat, it's just so scary no matter what.
Holy shit, bro. And this is just on springs? This is so comfy.
Yeah. And that's like, also have dampening, so it's in sport right now, but you can make it even more stiff or softer.
Oh, dude, that's so dope. Oh my god. This motherfucker is crazy. Oh my god.
That was third gear, bro. Like third gear just sliding.
It just rips.
Yeah.
handle so well.
It's hard to drive this car normally, bro. Like, it's the daily, but it's so hard to drive it normally. Oh, I could have drifted that.
Oh my god, dude. This car is gonna get me into trouble. This car is gonna fuck me up, bro.
Tell me about it, dude.
The moment I get an M3, it's over.
Why do you think I run no plates, bro?
Dude, this is actually gonna be scary the day I get an M3. Okay.
I think it gets close to 500, but...
Oh my god.
480.
This thing sounds so good. Yeah, that was 480. Yeah. Spot on. Dude, this man just busted out his phone and started changing colors on me. This is so sick.
Yeah, you can do like any color you want. Just like move this thing around. It's pretty dope. And that's like a factory, it's a factory headlight. You just got to change the chips
on
the board. Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's so sick.
On the module and you can do stuff like this.
Now I see why they're worth so much. And there he goes. Bye, Alex. Huge shout out to the homie Alex for letting me whip his M3 and just coming to check it out. Because now I think I'm pretty sold. I think we're gonna get the M3, guys. We're gonna be patient and wait for the right one to pop up. Dude, that thing just looks so good in person, and the fact that he has the white with the red guts, oh my god, dude, that's like my dream holy spec. All right, guys, we are back at home now, and the search for an M3 has begun. I'm pretty sure I want to go with an F80 M3 now. So if you guys have any single leads on a nice F80 M3 for sale, let me know. My budget's $45K. I want a clean title, DCT, and under 80K miles if possible, and my budget is $45K. So I would appreciate it if you guys have one for sale or know of one that fits my criteria. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.